So I got the idea from TBB to do a little sound sample with my nude for my new used Pohaku Concert. This is built in 2008. It has a cedar top, walnut back and sides. Peter uses this 360 rounded back construction. You can see it there. Has some maple appointments on the rosette that's striped down the fingerboard. The little moon there at the top. Moon, I think it looks like a moon. Peghead tuners. Peter's label on the back. Rosewood bridge. Fingerboard. I don't know if I think it's ebony on the nut and saddle. Inlays. Excuse my sniffles, got a little cold. The abalone inlay fret markers. Has a super rich, warm tone. Peter pointed out the sympathetic notes when I picked up the soprano. So I pluck the adjacent string and then I stop it, and then you could hear the next string reverberating. So I'm going to do a sound sample with this and then compare it with the soprano and a couple other sopranos. Here's that soprano Pohaku. Or mention the concert is from 2008. This is from 2023. Picked it up last Sunday before Thanksgiving. Same concepts. You have the rounded back. This one's Cuban mahogany, if I didn't say that already. compare that to the Soprano Koa vintage employee model, Kamaka. I was smirking because the intonation is a little bit more finicky on this one. Teaches me to play soft with my left hand if I press too hard. It'll go sharp. Here's that Antar, so Japanese maker. Kaoru Aoki. Antar is the brand. This is a pineapple, obviously, Koa. And this one's in low G. So go to a concert. This is my red label Koaloha, poured Orford cedar top, walnut back and sides. I've learned that poured Orford cedar is actually a spruce. So it says cedar, it's actually a spruce. You can see the top's a bit lighter, really nice grain on there. Bright and punchy. one I haven't shown yet. I just unplugged the jack from my Tahitian uke or banjo. I'm not sure if you're getting a mirrored effect when you see this, but it says Asonu. This is a solid body banjo or Tahitian uke. It's strung with a fishing line. You can adjust the bridge, and it's 8-string, and it's tuned with a high C, high E, low A. So looking forward to exploring more with this one for sure.